Hi friends, I feel honored for watching my videos and encouraging me to do more and more videos. For viewers who haven't subscribed the channel, I request you to kindly subscribe the channel and like the videos as more and more videos are uploaded on daily basis. Hi Pradeep, I am working exclusively on a requirement where you have asked that the below text is not in a proper line or sequence. So I just copied the data which I have given and have pasted in the Excel. So this is how the data is getting appeared. So I think you want everything in a single cell and in a sequence. So I copied the data, then I have opened the notebook and then sorry, not notebook, it's notepad. I have opened the notepad and then I have pasted the data as is. Then again from notepad I have copied the data, and here in Excel I have just selected one single cell, then pasted the data and pressed enter. Now you see the data is in wrap text. Once if you click on wrap text, the data will be in a sequence and it will be in a proper way. Hope this is what you are looking for. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel Excel World by Raghav. Thank you.